Oh my gosh.
Hey, Transformer in the house! Jack! Thank you, cheers everybody! Friends! Cheers po! Check! Kailangan nyo to. Beach.
Hawak na ang beats.
Hawak nyo ang beach.
Father's Day daw.
Thank you! Hi, Bam Bam!
Kamusta kayo dyan? Nasa likod ko. Oh my gosh. Take this off.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. Sobra.
My next part. The next part. From Caprice Global Hong Kong.
Wow, what's that?
Star.
What?
Hong Kong. Galing
What? Seryoso?
Yes po.
Grabe!
Hong Kong.
Whoa! Ooh, what? Wow! sorry.
May guitar, so may ukulele.
Wow naman! Grabe! Puro instruments!
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, thank you! Cute! Oh, thank you, Fam Bam! I will learn how to play this.
Sir Chris, ang Singapore, certification of registration sa inyong tatlo na may isa ka daw, ikapangatlo ka daw na sa star na naka-register sa Singapore.
What?
Discount kasi para sa inyong tatlo yan. O, certification of registration.
We own a star?
Yes.
Wow! We have our own star?
Singapore chapter.
What?
Thank you so much. Singapore chapter.
Yes.
Seryoso?
Then, and next,
Wow!
meron siyang Caprice Global, United Kingdom.
What?
Hindi ko alam kung
UK?
saan na to sa inyong dalawa.
Ooh, black diamonds.
Cebu chapter.
Uy, dried mango. Ang sarap niyan. Fruit balls.
Cebu chapter. Dami ko na naman pagkain. Message dun sa ano.
Oh, look at that. Thanks, guys.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh. At mail na ko.
Ay, nako, si Mami.
Oh, ang cute naman nun. Oh. Cute naman. Unboxing ha. Whoa, ooh. White para clean.
Yes.
Thank you, Mami Deeds.
For dating daw ito, anonymous daw ito.
Oh.
Anonymous ano.
Wow!
Anonymous yan.
Anonymous.
5,000?
1,000. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Kasi
Thank you po. It's a
Light?
light. Oh.
Ah, pala na kayo dyan. Ah, cute.
Ito yung night light, no? Such a wonderful and rare father. Thank you, Ate Arlene. Thank you.
small gift for Ashley, yung call nyo kanina.
May you always know how much you are appreciated, admired, and loved. Grabe!
Friends sa baba.
Katie, Mr. B, Miss B. Magic. Oh, it changes. Oh.
Kulay? Ito, to.
Ako to.
Picture mo to eh.
Pinagbalik ko nila.
Para pag nag-inom ka, mukha ko lalabas. I love you guys! Ikaw to eh. Ah, para yung lips ko pag nag... pala mag-coffee, no?
Thank you, ate. Wow.
Okay. Wow! Para daw hindi mo dumikit yung hash brown sa pan. Mr. B. Alright.
Cute. Ang ganda.
One step at a time. Thank you, Althea. Oh, yun. Hey. Thank you. I got you, Mr. B. Ganda ng mug mo.
Maganda yung sayo.
You have a keychain too. And this one's for Katie. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Fam Bam. You know. Superior. I think this is for Katie, Miss B. Manifesting California.
Paano? Wala nang visa.
I got you. I got you.
Happy Father's Day!
Ah, thank you. Salamat.
Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Gawa niyo yun? Gawa niyo yun. Love you. Thank you. Check.